Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to use Snapstreak's restore trick. The first thing that you can try and do is simply head over to your app drawer and then search for Snapchat in the search bar. Once you've searched for Snapchat, simply head over to your chats and then tap on the restore right next to the username of the person that you want to restore your Snapstreak with. You get up to 3 free restores. However, if you have surpassed that and you need to get another free restore, what you can do is simply head over to your app drawer on your device and then search for Google Chrome in the search bar. Once you're inside Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, what you can do is head over to your search bar and then type in Snapchat support form. Head over to Snapchat support. After that, what you can do is simply tap on I lost my streak, and then from here you'll have to follow the on-screen instructions and fill out this form that appears over here, in which case you'll have to enter the username, email, mobile number, chat type, and your friend's username and hit submit. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.